Hello and welcome back to On the Workbench. Today we're going to be replacing the click link assembly or the attachment assembly connection here on a Troy Bilt 6044XP string trimmer. And so to get started here, our part we got ordered here 753-06886, conveniently titled click link on the package. And then the tools we're going to need for this repair are going to be a 4mm hex, and we're going to need a T20 Torx 20 screwdriver. So you can see mine has failed a couple of times where the bolt here is stripped out. I've replaced here just with a wing nut. And I've tried a couple times here and then with other 10mm, it's a 6mm bolt with a 10mm socket hex here that you can use. And I got tired of fussing with that as that had gotten stripped away. So now it's time to replace this with a new part. We're going to loosen our T20 screw here first. That'll drop out, and then we'll drop in our Allen wrench here. Loosen this. And then now this just kind of comes off just like that. And you can see here's the business end. There's definitely some grease there. If you've seen any debris, this is a good time to kind of clean that up. If you look at this, you can see this is just fine there. Now over here, let's open our package of parts. So as we take the parts out of the bag here, we've got our assembly. As you'd expect, it actually has our red handle there. And then we also have, for whatever reason, mine came with two of those T20 screws. Not sure why there's two of them, but I guess we'll have an extra one just in case for some reason. I guess it's nice, I'm not going to complain. Then we're just going to take this over to the business end of the trimmer. And then we're going to slide this down, line up our hole. It may take just a little bit of finessing to get the holes all lined up there. There we go. I can feel a positive connection there with the screw. There we go. That's down. Now we'll use our 4mm hex and tighten up on the bottom end here. Make sure this is snug again. And just like that, we're done. We're in business. We've got our quick connection back instead of having the stupid wing nut. And we've got all of our connections here. And I don't know what the extra screw is for, but I was able to determine it actually is a slightly different size. So maybe they just send it because this is maybe slightly more universal depending on the shaft. But one of these actually turns out to be just slightly larger than the other one. So I hope you found this video useful and interesting. I'll put a link for the parts below, and have a great day.